If you don't work in sales, you can skip this video because I don't think you need these vitamins. But salespeople, did you take your vitamins today? As sales professionals, I don't care how much money you're making, even when you're doing 7 figures. There's constant negativity. You're constantly being bombarded with rejection. People are literally hanging up the phone on you. People are not calling you back. It really, really can bring you down. So what I want you to do is I want you to take these special vitamins. Listen, little small things, little positive activities. Be kind to somebody. Smile at somebody. Open the door, hold the door for somebody. Say yes, please, no, thank you. Do small tasks like check in on those emails, complete those calls you're going to do. All of those little tiny wins, even if it's just smiling at somebody in the office. Hey, how are you doing? Those little wins will add up. Like vitamins, they'll help build your self-esteem. They'll help build your confidence. They'll help build your positivity. So the next time when somebody doesn't call you back, those vitamins are going to be there to help insulate you from all of that negativity. You need this. Trust me. Start doing little small things to build up your positivity. My name's Matt Easton. Follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.